Okay, listen to me very carefully. You have been thinking to yourself, should you run YouTube ads to your channel to get more views, get more subscribers, get more likes, and also ultimately grow your YouTube channel? It is the dream of every YouTuber to have a channel that actually do well and actually turn into a passive income. Now, listen to me very carefully. In this video, I am going to be showing and revealing to you the reasons why you should start running YouTube ads, and also show you a proof in my YouTube studio. So let's get on with it without further ado.
Show you, this is my YouTube dashboard, and currently now I have 1,500 subscribers. Of course, I'm going to consider myself as a small YouTuber. Now, when I go down to this place, and you're going to see in this side, which I'm going to highlight on the screen, you're going to see ideas for you. Let me zoom it for you, and you're going to see promote on YouTube, reach a wider audience, and grow your channel with YouTube ads. We've made setting up paid promotions even easier. Now, let me tell you something. If YouTube ads is not going to be helping my channel to grow, YouTube is not going to be recommending it from my channel. In fact, I started noticing that my views were going down, and when I came into my YouTube studio, this is actually what I saw today. You might have been watching some videos that tell you YouTube ads is very, very dangerous to your channel. I'll tell you something. If you are still a small YouTuber within 1 to 5,000 subscribers, you need YouTubers to grow your channel, especially to just give it a boost, and your channel will start coming back alive. Everything about YouTubers deals with targeting. If you get the targeting right and you place your advert, your YouTubers in the front of the right audience, then definitely you are actually going to get higher watch time from your YouTube ads. And also, if you are trying to run YouTubers, you should not use a video that is longer than 3 minutes. Do you understand? Because that video you are trying to use for YouTubers should be used as a call to action to your other content on your YouTube channel, and by so doing, they'll be able to watch more videos on your channel and even visit the website you are trying to promote. So don't forget to subscribe. This is just an advice for you. If you're a small YouTuber, start running YouTube ads, especially when YouTube recommended this to me. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Bye.